The dynamic schedule I created has been useful to me, definitely, and a lot of the people who have tried to use it. But it wasn't designed to adjust to changes in the schedule. So I've created a fix for that. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to apply that fix if you'd like to fix your dynamic schedule so that it will continue to be useful in the future. The first thing you're going to do is scroll to the right so that you can see the columns K and N. Now, between the columns K and N, there are two hidden columns. To show those hidden columns, you need to click on one of the triangles here in this little box. It's going to warn you because I didn't want people editing those columns. I didn't want them messing up their dynamic schedule, but it's fine. We need to edit them now, so say OK. Now you will reveal columns L and M. What we're going to do is replace column M with the new column M. So to find the new column M, open a new browser tab and go to go to Dr. Burke, sbrhs.com. That will take you to my school website, which has another rotating block tool on here. If you scroll all the way to the bottom, though, you'll see a link to the dynamic schedule hotfix. That's where you'll get the new column M. So click on that, and it will take you to the hotfix spreadsheet that I created. Notice the only thing here is a column M that has some data. Click on the header of column M, and it will select the entire column. Now right-click and copy, and that copies the contents of this new column M. Now return to your dynamic schedule and click on the header of your column M. This time, paste the contents of the hotfix into your column M. What you'll see is some quick recalculating, and there are some new values here. But you won't see, if you scroll back to the left, you won't see a change in this week's rotating blocks yet, because there hasn't been a change in the schedule yet. But following the beginning of November, there will be a small adjustment to the schedule, and I'll be able to make that centrally so that your schedule will keep being useful into the foreseeable future. If you have any questions, please send me an email at burkej, B-U-R-K-E-J, @sbregional.org.